Hi, and this video is going to be covering our purchase order section of the software. So you can create purchase orders for a proposal once it's been approved. So if you go into the proposal, you can go under Actions and Manage Purchase Orders. That'll then take all the product from that proposal and move it into our purchase order section. You can then sort things by manufacturer. If you want to click on the manufacturer, you can just click on it. It'll categorize everything by the manufacturer right here for you, because that is most likely how you're going to be ordering. So say for instance on this proposal for this project, we want to start ordering some of the Crestron products, so we can click on all the Crestron product inside that that was inside that proposal. Click on Create Purchase Order. We can give it a purchase order name, and we can select the supplier then. And again, these are selected from the suppliers we set up in the product manager section. Then we can hit Create Purchase Order. It then takes that product out of the top here and moves it down below into a purchase order. You can expand the purchase order to see it. If you do need to make any changes or edits or anything to that, you can do so. If the purchase order looks complete, you can either download a PDF or use our email system. If you do use our email system, you can click on that. It'll open up the email template. You can put in to who you're sending it and their email address. You can create a templated email if you'd like. The manufacturer then does get the email with the link to the purchase order. The purchase order then has all of the manufacturer's information and all of your information. They can then update the status by line item if it's been shipped, back ordered, or discontinued. So they can do that on the different statuses and send the response. It then does update that information also into the software for you to those different statuses, or you can actually mark them received once you receive them. So again, you can go through and create all your purchase orders that you would like from the different manufacturers. And again, you're going to grab the supplier, create the purchase order, and again it pulls the product out of the top and creates the purchase order below. So all the purchase orders will be below. All the product that hasn't been ordered yet is going to be on top. You can also hit the information button right here to see the status, and then this does list the status of all the purchase orders and products, so you can see what's been received for this proposal and what hasn't been. And still what's out there to be received, or if it's just in draft form that it hasn't been sent yet. You can see that. You can also go over to the purchase orders tabs on the menu here, click on that. You can sort by proposals, so you can click on it. You can see all the purchase orders that have been created for this. You can filter them by open, draft, sent to supplier, opened by supplier, marked as shipped, partial shipment, back ordered, discontinued, received, and archived also. So if I wanted to see, for instance, partial shipment here, I can do that and it'll just list the purchase orders with the partial shipment status on them. You can download this list to a CSV file if you'd like. And again, if you have multiple or many purchase orders, you can use the search feature to filter those out also. And you can click on any of the columns to sort by status, by name, anything you would like to do on that. Also, for the status, if we received it or not, you can go into the project and find the project itself. And then when you look at you can see the purchase order status and click on that, and also in the project detail page is where that lives. So again, you can easily see what's been received and what hasn't been received for this project or proposal to date. And that purchase order status does update live as you are making the changes to it accordingly. That concludes purchase orders.